Welcome! Today, we're going to walk through the simple steps to turn on trends for you inside the X app, so you can see trending topics that are more relevant to your interests and location. This is an updated guide, so you'll be following the latest method. First, open the X app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your personalized settings. Once the app is open, look toward the top left corner of your screen and tap on your profile icon. This will open up the main menu where you can access all of your account and privacy options. From here, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. This section is where you'll find all the controls for customizing your experience on X. Next, tap on Privacy and Safety. This is the area dedicated to managing what you see, who can interact with you, and how your data is handled. Within the Privacy and Safety menu, look for the option labeled Content You See. Tap on it to move to the next step. It's where you control how your feed and trends are personalized. Now, select Explore Settings. This section is designed to let you fine-tune what appears in the Explore tab, including the Trends section. Finally, find the switch for Trends for you and toggle it on. When this feature is enabled, the trending topics you see will be customized just for you, based on your location and who you follow. And that's it. You've now successfully turned on Trends for you in the X app. From here on, the trending topics shown will be more aligned with your personal interests, making it easier to stay up to date on the news and conversations that matter most to you. If you ever want to change this setting, you can follow these same steps and toggle it off at any time. By keeping this feature on, you make your time on X more tailored, more relevant, and more engaging. Now go ahead, explore your new customized trends, and see what's happening in the world today that's most connected to you.